Hey there, welcome back to Decode Finance. Are you looking to boost your income and explore new ways to make money? Well, you're in luck because today, I've got some fantastic side hustle ideas that can help you do just that. Stick around to discover some unique opportunities to increase your earnings. Method 1. Freelance services. One of the most flexible and lucrative side hustles is offering freelance services. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or social media manager, there's a demand for your skills online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to connect with clients and start earning money on your terms. Method 2. Online tutoring. With the rise of remote learning, online tutoring has become a booming industry. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, consider offering your expertise as an online tutor. Websites like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com provide a platform to connect with students and earn extra income. Method 3. Selling handmade products. If you're crafty or creative, selling handmade products can be a lucrative side hustle. Whether it's jewelry, candles, or artwork, there's a market for unique handmade goods. Platforms like Etsy allow you to showcase your creations to a global audience and turn your passion into profit. Method 4. Virtual assistant services. Businesses and entrepreneurs are constantly seeking assistance with administrative tasks, social media management, and customer support. As a virtual assistant, you can provide these services remotely and on a flexible schedule. Websites like Virtual Assistant Jobs and Indeed offer opportunities to find virtual assistant gigs. Method 5. Renting out your space. If you have extra space in your home or property, consider renting it out for extra income. Whether it's a spare room, parking space, or storage area, platforms like Airbnb and Neighbor allow you to monetize unused space and generate passive income. Method 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular side hustle that involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or referral. By joining affiliate programs through platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareASale, you can earn passive income by recommending products you love to your audience. Method 7. Dog walking or pet sitting. If you're an animal lover, consider offering dog walking or pet sitting services in your neighborhood. With busy pet owners in need of reliable care for their furry friends, you can earn extra income while enjoying the company of adorable pets. Websites like Rover and Wag make it easy to connect with pet owners and book appointments. Method 8. Content creation on YouTube or blogs. Creating content on platforms like YouTube or blogs can be a rewarding side hustle that allows you to share your passions and expertise with a wide audience. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, cooking aficionado, or travel junkie, there's an audience eager to consume your content and support your journey through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Method 9. Flipping items online. Flipping items online involves buying low and selling high for a profit. Whether it's thrift store finds, garage sale treasures, or discounted items from clearance sales, you can resell these items for a markup on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Method 10. Gig economy platforms. The gig economy offers a plethora of side hustle opportunities, from food delivery and ride sharing to task-based services like TaskRabbit and GigWalk. Whether you're looking for short-term gigs or ongoing projects, gig economy platforms provide flexibility and the opportunity to earn extra income on your own schedule. And there you have it, folks. 10 unique side hustle ideas to boost your income and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash or pursue your passions full-time, there's a side hustle out there for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these opportunities today and take the first step towards financial freedom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you succeed on your side hustle journey. Thanks for watching.